Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87E10BCF in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache, and it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. Okay, so this will reset the Microsoft Store cache. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store, and we have a script for this. So all we need to do is copy the script, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. So this would have re-registered PowerShell. Now what does it mean by re-registering Microsoft Store? Basically you cannot delete this application. So what you can do in this case is that you can re-register it. It is just like reinstalling the application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.